The Clarke CBM1C mortiser is easy to set up and simple to use. It will give first-class results, saving time and removing the need for many measurements on repetitive tasks. Ideal for the serious DIY woodworker, craftsman and woodworking enthusiast, this machine creates deep square recesses accurately and consistently. It removes the otherwise lengthy process of marking up and chiseling correctly proportioned, straight-sided hand-cut mortises. The side-sprung operating lever offers comfortable, fast, light operation with a good solid feel. The lever is secured with a dog clutch, which allows simple adjustment by pulling the handle outwards against spring pressure, then turning it to a more convenient position. The chisels are easy to change, and the chuck key is fitted with a spring-loaded dowel to help prevent it being accidentally left in place. The chisel depth is set with an adjustable stop collar on the rear leg. A fence is supplied, which can be moved forwards or backwards and is held by a simple locking lever. The hold down can be adjusted so that it just touches the top of the workpiece, yet still allows the workpiece to slide left or right and preventing the workpiece from lifting as the chisel is raised up out of the hole. Supplied with a 10mm 3/8 inch chisel and bit and a useful tool rack, the CBM1C has a quiet and smooth 1 horsepower, 230-volt, 370-watt motor. A range of Clarke mortise chisels are available from your local stockist. The CBM1C can cope with workpieces up to 95mm deep with a chisel stroke of 76mm, whilst the robust cast iron base and column ensures stability and accuracy. This superb piece of equipment offers excellent value for money and will serve you well for many years to come.